How do you create a Facebook business page? Let's talk about it. Okay, perfect. Welcome everybody, and I'm going to show you step by step how to create a Facebook page. So what you're going to need to first do is obviously log into your Facebook account so that you are then on your home screen and your news feed then appears. What you're going to go do then is go to the top right hand side of your screen and click the drop down arrow. You should see an option there that says create page. You're going to click on that. This will then open up the create a page template, and then you will then follow the instructions accordingly. So if you're a business or brand, you will click get started there, or if you're a community or public figure, you will click get started there. So choose the one that is applicable to you. I'm going to go for business or brand. Click get started. Then you're going to name your page. So I'm just going to call mine, for the sake of this exercise, Kyle's Cakes. Then you're going to click category. I'm just going to say bakery, wholesale bakery. You're going to put the address. I'm just going to put 1212 for the sake of this exercise. City will be Krugersdorp, where I'm actually originally from. And then you're going to put your phone number. 506. Perfect. Once you have filled in all these details and once everything is perfect and you're happy with it, you'll then go to the bottom and click the blue box continue. Just give that a couple seconds to load. My Wi-Fi is extremely slow. There we go, I can see it's loading on top there. And then perfect, your page is now set up. And what you're going to need to do now is just follow Facebook's instructions to then have your page looking efficient and effective and as nice and professional as possible. So for the sake, I'm just going to click skip, just so it's all loaded up and done. I'm going to click skip there. Just for the sake of this exercise, you'll obviously follow everything accordingly, but I'll show you a quicker way to do everything once everything's loaded and done. And there you go. So this is now your page. As you can see, everything is there. It's giving you people to invite. So on the top left hand side, you can see your icon, which you can click on to update. You can add a cover, which is over there. The easiest and quickest way to get through everything would scroll to the bottom here and click see all page tips. What you would then do is click on that, and Facebook then gives you individual instructions to follow, and it just goes through everything systematically, so it's easier just to update and make your page look as nice as possible. And there you go. Follow all of those instructions, and once that's done, congratulations, your Facebook page is now set up. I hope this tutorial wasn't too confusing. I hope it made sense. I hope it helps you guys. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.